That means the computer's getting old and it's starting to burn out on me. Time to swap it out for a new computer. No time to play with equipment that doesn't want to work. You might be going into the graveyard, my friend. All right, now host controls. Yep, they still locked. All right, I don't want to leave that on right now, but if I got to figure that out over prep how I can switch that over to you guys in case of emergency. Hey, Borders.
Hey, Tyler. I've been trying to get in for the last 8 minutes. Something's going on with my internet.
Yeah, no, everybody's getting hit, man. It's making my whole day stressful. I just got off my phone trying to teach and that stuff.
My man, 100 grand.
What's up, Rush?
All right, well, you just confirmed what I'm going through. I was about to ask all y'all if y'all experienced the same thing. I think it's because of the snowstorm. I'm not sure, man. But we got Danny here. Cool. There's behind the scenes stuff from you guys. You got her back somehow. Where's my other screens? I got to start opening those up. Oh, I hate starting over. Okay. The internet, then the computer. There's a lot of stuff today. A lot of stuff. Mercury's in retrograde. Borders, do you think it's the case or no? I don't even know if that's the season for it.
I don't know right now, man. It's been crazy for me all day. I'm so aggravated with it.
Oh boy. Okay.
Are
I
you
was,
laptop or desktop?
you said what?
You on the laptop or desktop?
I'm on the laptop.
My desktop is actually working a little better.
I know, and I haven't had time to see. I haven't had time to sit down and build a desktop because I got so much Camelot work to do. Salary means you don't have an off period, does it?
Period.
All right. Anyway, yeah, desktops are you more efficient. I just haven't had time to sit down and build one or the money. This laptop, I think, is overheating. I might have to get a new one. Okay, so where we go? Come on now. This usually shows SB. That's what I hate about this. I gotta make new saves. And I think they're doing updates to restore it to what they wanted to do. Oh, okay, that's my attendance. All right, now who's over here? Let's do this real quick. We got okay, Danny. Oh, you saw her name. There it goes. Then Lee Carter to the top. We're still gonna do our norms, everybody. Terry. Okay. And I got a text message. Oh Lord. This is all staff chit chatting. Share the office. Okay. Now next would be our norms. Let me open a tab for that, right? Jump right back where I tried to start at. As soon as I was about to get done eating lunch, my computer said, boom. Okay. All right. So I want to start off with Danny because you're first, not to pick on you. I see Leah's here. It's already 12:32, so everybody else is already late or absent. We're waiting on this to load. Oh, look, I froze for a second there. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna have to come into the building real soon because these internet games are not gonna be the best. So
Hey, Tyler, I thought you said the internet in the school was bad too.
no, well, I'm talking about in-person teaching, so I don't need the internet to teach. I'm
Oh
doing it
yeah.
because I
Oh, you
have
mean
to.
in the building? Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I'm talking about whiteboard. This is like
I thought you said you gotta get back in the building, meaning go over there to go. I thought you. I was
yeah, no, but I'm saying overall. But yeah, I got to go over there anyway because like a few more students broke a kid or two, and I got to figure out what they need. Yeah. All right. So the norms. I'm sorry. So Danny, can you read the 5 basic norms? You there?
No one has a right to hurt another person. Education in the classroom are sacred. We will never behave in a way that will discredit ourselves, our school, and our family. In Excel Academy, Southwest students always act with integrity. We take pride in Excel Academy of Southwest.
Yeah, Danny, you had a little trouble with 4, huh? It's a
Yeah.
new one. Yeah, we changed that one recently. Lee Carter, sir, are you present? Not again. Lee.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go, man. Come on, you're doing good. Read the 5 academic norms, sir. Come on, y'all.
Respect the parents of others. Respect the culture of classroom. Practice participate.
Yeah.
Verify expectations of ourselves, our peers, and our teachers. We are here first preparing ourselves for success.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. All right, so you actually get participation points for doing that, and that is our mantra and culture. If you miss GGI, you missed a great GGI. Starts at 11:15. This stuff is mandatory, you guys. You need to start going. All right, just stop making excuses. Go there. You might learn about different things you want to do, and if like anything else, as high school students, I don't think you want to stay home forever. So get a GGI to get you life skills. It really helps you out. The contest is still going on. Okay, Borders, are you still there? You the main one for this thing. Are you there or no?
Yeah, I'm here.
Can you break this down again? Because I don't know if I'm saying it wrong.
Okay. Okay. Rush here, right? Okay. Yeah. I'm saying. So
Oh yeah.
listen. If you if you refer a friend and they enroll, if you're one of the first 4 students to do that, you'll receive a $50 Walmart gift card. Also, your name is put into the raffle to win one of the 3 prizes. So the third place prize is $100 gift card. The second place prize is a $200 gift card, and the first place prize is a PS5. All right, so if you're a winner, you all automatically, if you were one of the first 4, you got that $50 gift card plus you might win something else. Take advantage of the
Thank
great.
you, Mr. Borders. I didn't want to catch you off guard, but I know Rush is helping with 2 classes, so
I
that's why I put you on the spot like that. Sorry.
just got a little that.
Yeah, I was just great to speak on that behalf and apologize and let you know what for real and let you know why Tyler probably called on you because he know I'm in this class, but
It's all good. It's all good, Rush.
oh yeah, come
No,
out.
I ain't
Teamwork. Make it
Yeah,
dream work.
we
Right.
trying.
I see. Okay. All right. So anyway, there was a video I wanted to play. We don't have a lot of time because I had technical difficulties. I'm gonna cue the video up. It's about Code Nation. Now, there's 2 options. I want to get this out on the table for you guys. One is you write a 2-page report on what this woman is talking about. And Code Nation allows you guys to make up to $100,000 a year. I wish I had this when I was younger. And you get mentorship. One student asked last period, Jesus Christ, turn the phone over, Mike. I gotta turn on vibrate a minute. One student asked, like, do they pay us for this? Look, you can't get paid until you learn something, right? So it's kind of a work process. If you keep coming with consistency, you show up to this program. I think it's 2 days a week, virtual. In most cases, they will partner you with an internship, which then leads into money, right? Because I used to do internships overseas. Now, it's up to you to take advantage of it. The deadline is February 1st. Okay, so you procrastinate on this. I'm gonna share the link in a moment. You're gonna be in trouble for it because you're gonna be like, "Can I still do that?" And it's gonna go to somebody else. All right. Think about it: $100,000 starting out in 3 years. Man, all right. In Chicago, that's a lot. Probably not in Cali. So to come out of this, I'm gonna refer to where your videos are because you have a quiz today. And in that quiz is 30 questions. Now you have the option. Danny, did you get a kit yet, Ms. Ruiz?
No, I haven't.
All right. Okay. All right. So I just want you to watch the video, Danny, and do this 2-page report. Okay.
Okay.
All right. It's a long video. It's from my computer science class, but I think it's important and imperative to the point where I'm giving y'all credit to do it, that you review most of what's going to be played. Now I got to get started on it because it's 12:38 and I want to get at least 10 minutes of it. It was a very
What's the
powerful
other
video.
option?
The other, oh Lord, the other option is you use your book, and you handle all 30 questions. And you need to take your time because if you copy and paste bad information without reading your book, I will know. Okay, I've read the book. All right, so please don't cheat. Don't. hey, text somebody on the other line and be like, give me this answer to it. Don't do that, because I've seen some of your answers and they're just like horrible. They're not all the way specific. Please stop cutting corners. So if you
What
want to
page
take,
is this on?
huh?
What page this on?
No, I'm not going to tell you what pages the questions on. They're in the book.
Huh?
hmm Okay, so you got to find in the book, because we talked about pages in ESV. So as a quiz, you're not going to be given too much help. You're going to have to search through that book and find the correct answers. All right. Or you can watch the video I'm about to play and pay attention to it, write a paper, and have a great day. I'm getting called by Mr. Overdyke. Okay, so I'm going to start the video. Overdyke, what's wrong?
Release the hands. Well, while Mr. Tyler is taking the call, y'all can listen to some yoga with me and Mr. Rossi class. Listen, y'all. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come all the way to standing. Move slowly. Arms reach up overhead. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift to lengthen the spine. Exhale, step your left foot to the back of the mat for low lunge. Set down the left knee. You can untuck the toes if you'd like, and then bring both hands onto the top of your right thigh. Start to send the hips forward and down. Sit nice and tall. The crown of the head is towards
Hold
the
on. Overdyke, hold on. Something was playing in the background. What was that? You all?
Not me playing a little bit of yoga while you know what I'm saying? Just
Oh,
something for them to hear. Just,
oh, yoga. Okay, I was like, what did he listen to? Okay, I'm sorry. Y'all go ahead.
On the right thigh. Then you'll reach your right hand behind you to your lower back. Come into a twist. So now the chest is.
Dude, I'm trying to teach. Oh, anyway, darn it, he got me off course. Where am I at? It's Friday. People are, getting jittery, I guess. All right. I was going to this video for you guys. I was trying to.
Yeah, I just had him hanging out with me while you was taking your call, hanging out.
I'm sorry, man.
No, it's
I
cool,
saw
it's
something
cool.
was wrong.
I just wanted them to hear something rather than dead silence, you know what I mean?
Right. Well, that keeps them engaged.
Yep. I tries.
So I'm gonna go to Esby and I'm gonna give you the video. I had to do it this way. And I'll play just a little bit of it. I keep getting delayed, everyone. Sorry, because I'm wearing too many hats over here. Come on now. Go to your library section. It's populating now. And right here, you have this in Esby. Your library is your repository of videos since we started the quarter. So this weekend, I wanted to make it clear, you can still make up a lot of the work. I see you there, Stevenson. I need you to stay in the camera, man. You're real good at disappearing. So the minute you get off the camera, I'm going to be calling home. We're not doing this today. Please stay in class the whole time and stay in the camera, because you do that a lot. Let's see here. A lot of y'all like to disappear and stuff. Please don't do that. You're hurting yourself, because you'll be marked absent if you don't respond. I'll be checking. Here we go. I found it. So I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna grab this, and you're only gonna hear most about the parts I was talking about with the you can earn $100,000 and whatnot, right? So come right here, and then I gotta switch tabs till you have sound. Let's see if she's gonna work right today. And this is a great opportunity. I'm gonna put the link. I'm gonna try to find it as quickly as I can. The link in the chat that'll allow you to apply. Okay, so apply. Don't look like it's too hard. Can't do it. It's mentorship. They will help you guys. All right, and there's companies like Google you'll be working for, or whatnot. For understand, I'm kind of jealous. I could be a high school student for a day again. Anyway, listen to what they're talking about. And Rush, I'm not talking to you, man. You're gonna be playing what you say, Tyler. Don't do that again. Let's see if I can look it up. 12. Oh, so you're a senior. Go through our norms together, okay? I want her to really get started. Everybody else is gonna have to catch. Can you
I
stop
can
sharing this,
stop
Wilson?
sharing
Yeah,
so
yeah,
yeah.
and you can have the main screen thing. I want them. Some students have a hard time locating. There we go. That's a lot better. All right. So everybody pay attention to what she has to discuss. And again, you have the floor.
All right, good morning, everyone. My name is Brianna. I am from an organization called Code Nation. We're a nonprofit, and I'm going to talk to you about an upcoming opportunity to join an intro to web development.
Danny, did you have a question? I hear your microphone going in and out. Danny? Okay, what's going on over there? Miss Ruiz, are you there?
It's cool. It probably was a mistake, Tyler.
No, I didn't know. I was listening to it on the headphones. It was like pop, pop, pop. I'm like, what's she doing? Okay, let me keep going.
Course starting the week of February 8th. Okay, so let's start with what is web development. So web development means creating and designing websites. So by learning web development, you're learning how to make a website. You're making it look the way you want it to look, and you're also making it do what you want it to do. So essentially, web development means learning how to code. Do any of the, how many do we got? Three folks? Do any of you have any coding background? Do you know what coding is? Have you dabbled before?
I did that all the way back in elementary school.
In middle school? Was it like a day of code sort of thing? Or was it like a full course?
I think it was for full court. It was the whole year.
Do you remember what language? Was it like HTML or CSS?
No, I don't remember that.
Okay, that's cool though. So whatever your background is, if you've heard of coding before, if you haven't, this is for you, okay? Coding is for you. Anyone can learn how to code. My background is in teaching. I taught reading and math for 5 years before coming to Code Nation, and I'd never touched coding before. But now I learned the curriculum so that I could help the professional software developers teach it. And it's not hard, I promise. It takes some work, but it's not hard. And when you learn how to code, you've got these amazing set of skills that are really in demand. Coding is creative, it's artistic, it's more than just math and equations. And you don't need to know anything about coding, the internet, or computers to join this class. Coding is life-changing. The average salary of a software engineer is $100,000 a year, about $50 an hour. They've got flexible schedules. They can work from anywhere in the world, which has been particularly helpful during a pandemic. These skills are in demand. It's estimated that there are about 1 million programming jobs left unfilled. So it pays well, and there is a job for you if you learn coding skills. And there's a website for everything. So coding gives you the chance to join any industry. If you're interested in sports, if you're interested in fashion, music, whatever it is, those industries need coders. Coding is fun. So if you learn how to code, you're learning how to build websites and design websites that anyone can use. We take field trips to offices around the city. We're doing them virtually now. And then we also give you the opportunity to show the skills off that you've learned with some competitions and awesome prizes. The tech industry needs you all. Code Nation's goal is to close the gap in the tech industry. Currently, women and people of color are underrepresented, very underrepresented in the tech industry, and more diversity in the industry means that technology will better serve everyone. So what does this class look like? So we're going to teach you, actually, we're going to teach you 3 programming languages. You're going to learn HTML and CSS. You're going to learn from a team of professional software engineers who teach and mentor students. So your teachers are professional and software engineers. You're going to create projects. So you're going to take the skills that you learned to build websites. We don't do quizzes or tests. And then you're going to learn skills that you can actually use in a coding career. Okay, so I'm just going to click into one of these games so we can see something that a student made after just a couple of weeks.
Everyone, turn your cameras back on. I see some people disappearing. Please pay attention. Participation points, and the link that she's using is in the chat.
Awesome. All right, so this is a project that a student made. So you notice when I hit click, a lot of things change. Find and click the answer showed up, and we can click anything. Click the answer. Where is the answer? If I hover over this, it's telling me this is not the answer. Wrong, try again. Let's see. So a couple of things are happening as I scroll over these different words. You can see they are changing color. They are responding to me hovering over the mouse. And when I click on the answer, this new screen pops up. What was just there hid. And now this question has popped up. What is the best weapon to use against Dwayne Johnson? Let's see. A rock, fist, paper, La Chancellor, or scissors. Let's try a fist. Try again. Let's try paper. All right, now double click me. And scroll. Scroll. And the treasure chest appears. Okay, so this is a project that a student wanted to create. It's an interactive website, and this is something that they can add to their portfolio to show for internships for colleges that they can build a website. So what I'm talking about right now is an intro to web development course. So we're going to teach you some introductory coding languages. That will be this upcoming semester. So starting in February through June. What happens after that is after you complete the intro to web development course, you can join our fellowship course. So fellowship courses take place at a tech company after school once a week. And so you would be at an office like Google or Grubhub, or we've had internships at Pandora. And so you get the opportunity to learn from professionals at those companies, and also to have the experience of working, of being in a professional setting in an office. You get to grow your network, gain some experience to add to your resume and or college applications. Okay, so the program details, this is a year-long virtual program. We are presenting it to you all in a semester form. So it starts February and it ends in June. We're doing that this year to make sure that we're getting to reach as many students as possible. It takes place twice a week on Monday and Wednesday, or Tuesday and Thursday. So whichever of those cohorts work better for your schedule. The first class is the week of February 8th, 2021, and this program is completely free. The application link, I'm going to put it in the chat.
Okay, so I'm going to put the entire video in there, and that's the video you got to do a 2-page report on. And some questions you can answer are basically, what is computer science about? You guys are asking me why we're doing all this coding in engineering class. Well, I don't know if you knew, engineers, we are the people that do the programming of the robot, the fixing of the robot. Yeah, pretty much everything for the robot. And that's what you're learning. You're learning trade skills right now. So a lot of students are saying, this is hard, it shouldn't be difficult, it's doing too much. Oh, there's Tamia, she's in the camera. Okay. But seriously, when you guys are out of high school, you need to be thinking about what you're going to do to sustain income. right? Everybody has their own hobbies and endeavors they want to. But as my dad would say, you need some type of stable income until you get to where you need to go. And we got to get out of the habit of doing comfortable things. Get to the habit of being uncomfortable all the time. And that also includes learning. If you don't work out the brain, and it is a muscle, you will lose it. It's going to be hard to have a lost mind and get a job at the same time. Now, let me get the link for you. I think it's here. That didn't do what I wanted to do. Yeah, share link. Copy link address and then come over here to chat. There's some other things I want to talk about. Now, everybody's like, why are we watching this video? It's a quiz, right? Every Friday is a quiz. It's what I do. Got it from being in college, got it from being work with the government. At the end of the week, you have an assessment. Now, this quiz is counted times 2 because it's about the kit. Now, I gave you all I could. This is not Christmas, Hanukkah, or Halloween. You have to earn your points. A lot of students have not turned in assignments, calling me late at night asking why my grade hasn't changed. Well, maybe because you didn't turn nothing in. Let's start there. February 3rd is the last day of classes, though. So you definitely want to make sure you turn in all assignments if you want them graded by that date, that hard stop, that last day. All right. No February 4th, 5th, 6th. I'm not going to be doing that because I'm going to be focusing my energy on the next quarter, which is, can you post? Okay, wait, let me slow down. Like it's just too much conversation for them. Basically, let me come out here. I think I gave you the link, the questions for the quiz. Let me go grab them. And I don't want to put them in SB yet. You will see them though, but I'm going to share it out to you guys later on today. And I'm only saying that because I tried to open them up. It's 30 questions basically. And they run from chapters, let me see here, 3 from my notes. No, chapters 4 and 7 from the book, right? That's everything we covered with Scratch. That's everything that we covered with, what was it? I think the Sense Hat, right? Yeah, chapter 7. So those are the questions. Remember, each day is a group activity. Remember those questions? We had 15 questions at least. So your test is composed of all 30 questions that we've been working on. And I want to do as group activity, but I've heard a lot of excuses. So I just don't think we're ready to do that yet. My kit's broke. I'm not at home. Okay, so now you got to do it individually by yourselves. All right. Now, if you don't want to do that, you could take that video, bookmark it, and just do the 2-page report, giving you an option. Either way, both need to be done by Sunday. Okay. Let me see. Let me come over here and see if I can find it for you. I had to go through my Google Drive real quick again. I'm sitting here trying to make sure everything's reestablished connection. Internet test and everything over here. Okay, so Google Drive. Hello. Why are you freezing up on me? Okay. Yes, we can go back to this tab, but not yet. Let me stop sharing that. Good. And let's do this because I'm comfortable with that. I think when you do share tabs, it uses more resources on the computer. Awesome. Okay. Cool. I think I'm back. Let me check my other computer. There it goes. See, the kit is not just for show. It's so I can make sure things are working around here. All right, now that you see what I'm doing, I'm in the library. Again, I want to point out, this is where you get your library files for the video that I gave you. You have to save that. But your classes and everything we've done, in case you want to go back in time and see what the questions were or the answers may have been, you can use your library videos. Okay, just letting you know. I'm going to come back here into your class. All right, this is third period. There we go. And then I want to go back to class view. Awesome. All right, so like I said, I post the videos. This is your library section. Make sure you get comfortable with it. But the biggest thing is that them questions, right? So let me grab that. I see them right here, recent. Drag this over for you guys in one moment. What in the world? Oh, because it's got me signed in as CPS. Good God. I'm like, why aren't you showing right? Okay. Quiz 8, there it goes. Okay. Now I want you to make a copy. I want everyone who's in here to, because I want to make sure this works correctly so you can get a head start. And I already set you up. So put your email address in the chat for me. Let me turn the chat on though, right? Okay, so everyone put your email address in the chat right now. That'll be for 10 points. You need this so you can at least get access to the quiz. In case you don't want to watch the video and do a 2-page report, please put your email address in the chat now so I can have a repository of students to send the quiz out to. And here's what the quiz looks like, by the way. It's primarily a Google Doc like we've been doing the whole quarter. You guys are going to sign in, make your own copy, and honestly, you're going to use your book. Now, Ms. Danny, you don't have a book in the kit yet. This is for the other students. You just watch the video and write 2 pages on what you thought happened, okay? Did you get the link, by the way?
No, I didn't. Can you send it again?
Yeah, I can send it one more time. That's why I asked. Let me see here. Copy link address. Go. Okay, so you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
All right, there you go, Melody. People are following directions. Who's next? It's 10 points for her. Waiting on who else is in here. Tamia, can you type your email address in the chat? I see you came on the screen. That means you're there. This is for 10 points to make sure you got the quiz. Stevenson, I need you to put your email address in it. Thank you, Tamia. Danny, you don't have to worry about it because you don't have a book. I think I got everybody. Oh, Lee Carter needs your email address for 10 points, sir. Okay, Tamia. If you have a classmate that does not have this link or is not shared out, you can share the link out. But listen, everybody who's getting the message, thank you, Mr. Carter. Everybody's getting the message, getting this document. You're not doing it together. I want you. Now, y'all can try to use it together, but I'm seeing some horrible answers from this book. So you got to do better because I see y'all. You copy and paste some of the same garbage you gave me, garbage in, garbage out, you're going to get a 0. And I don't want to hear about it later because you tried to be slick. He's going to catch up to you. You know, you can try to be slick with anybody else. I'm born and raised Chicago. Y'all going to learn the hard way. I got Melody. Melody, did I send you this document already? Are you there? Because I got you twice.
Well, you probably sent it already.
Well, I'm going to try again and be sure.
All right.
I just wanted to know if you knew. She said I probably, so I mean she doesn't remember. No. It's supposed to show up. This would be Queen Mello or something, right? All right, Melody, give me your email address in the chat one more time. It's still for 10 points. I thought I could just do it by myself, but it's not registering. It's like Queen Mello or something. I can't remember. It doesn't show. Something's wrong with Google.
Yeah, Mr. Tyler.
Okay, girl, look, just put it in the chat so we not going back and forth. It's
I'm
not
trying.
popping up. Oh, okay. Why isn't her name? It's like old students popping up. That's not good. Something's going on over there. All right, so I'm gonna send this out to everybody else. Yeah. Wait a second. I gotta come back and make sure I don't do that. I want to take care. Yeah, I got it now. Okay, 10 points for you. Okay. Whew. Reason I'm doing this way, everybody, is because next week when we do extra credit assignments, I'm gonna be using Google Forms. At least I hope I will. And Edsby. Edsby has a way for you to take a test just like a computer administrator test. So you're gonna have to type in the right answers. And if you don't, it'll automatically grade and give me a response. I don't even have to grade it. It'll do it for me. And I'm gonna take that and put that grade in Edsby as your score. Okay, so use this as practice. Don't copy and paste because pretty soon when you get the quizzes, not the quizzes, but the final exam next week, it's going to be probably 30. So that's 30 plus 15 is 45 questions. Final exam. If you guys are not ready with the kids to do demonstrations, you will have to take that exam. to pass the course. All right. So, use your weekend wisely. I don't know what you're doing at home, but you need to find some time or make some time to get your work done, because a lot of you have procrastinated to this last moment and now you're about to pay for it. So I need you to seriously boost your scores up by 1, getting those labs done, 2, getting all the projects done, and 3, making sure you take care of this quiz if you don't want to write that 2-page report from the video. Okay. So I said everything, I think. So far, I see Lee Carter jumped in there. Lee Carter, make sure you make a copy of this document. You guys do not alter this document. Make your own copy, then work on it. Do not start working on this one. You're going to mess it up for the rest of the class, and I got to make another one. I can do that, but again, I got to show you guys how to follow directions, right? So make a copy first. Here's how you do that. Click on File, come to Make a Copy. Do that first when you get in the document. It'll make another copy for you, and it'll put it on your drive, so you don't affect the questions for any other student. Once you make your copy, I want your answers in between where the questions are, right? And make it neat. You do get points for neatness. Don't throw some garbage at me. I'm going to give you a garbage score. I keep saying it every period. And if your parents come and ask me, why did I know? I mean, like, well, we've been telling you. So, and there's video recordings of what your child did. And trust me, I'm full disclosure. So please just cover yourself, because I'm going to cover myself. Do your work, because grades are closing on February 3rd. I think I've said that enough times. It's 1:05. We get out of here, what, 15 minutes? All right, so last minute things. I have a survey you got to fill out for your exit slip. You come over and grab it. Hopefully this time it'll work. Lord, where is that survey at? Come up here to the top. And then we can move to dismissing to the next period once I get this survey in the chat for you guys. So fill out in Google Forms. There we go. And boom. And I want everybody for 5 points, which will give you 30 points once you finish the survey, to confirm if you can open up this link here. If it says you need permission, let me know. It shouldn't. All responses, that's how I'll know if you did it or not. When you complete all of it, are going to Mr. Ortiz. So he won't, he won't tell me what your responses are, but he'll tell me which students, well, I can see which students actually did it. Like, he'll tell me which students actually got started on it. Your phone is on 1%. I'm almost home. All right, Tamia, just log off, charge your phone up, and thank you for letting me know that. Okay, your attendance will not be affected, but I think you need that link, Tamia, so to get your exit slip. Who else? Stevenson, I didn't say you could leave. Did y'all? See, this is what we talking about with this boy.
Mr. Tyler, I already did the survey.
Oh, you did it already?
Yeah, I already did it already during
Okay,
lunch.
I didn't know that, Danny. I'll check.
Yeah, no, my bad.
But okay, so Danny, you just work on that two-page report on that video. Okay, you got the video link?
Yeah.
All right, then I'll see you later. Keep coming to class now. I'm trying to get you out the door.
Okay.
Terry Carter, did that link work for you? Because in the Melody, you said it wasn't working. First period, I think.
It's working.
It's working, both of you?
Yeah.
All right, finish it up. And as soon as Ortiz telling me you did it, or I can see that y'all did it, you'll get the 25 points. You get to finish all parts of that survey. You understand?
Yes.
Thank you, Terry. You're free to go. Carter, can you confirm that you understand? Are you there?
I said, yeah, I could leave.
Yes, I couldn't hear you, sir. Yes, you can leave. Oh, it's just me here. Okay. Everybody else left. Where is it? Where's my commands at? Come on, Google. What's up with you today?